Hello, good morning, all of you students. Today I teach different topics of fertilizers related to fertilizers. First of all, before today, I discuss advantage of manure and difference between fertilizers and manure. But today I discuss disadvantage of using fertilizers. Disadvantage: modern agriculture depends greatly on the chemical fertilizers. Excessive use of fertilizers greatly increases the crop yield, but when fertilizers get washed off through irrigations and rainfall, they reach the water bodies like rivers and lakes. This causes water pollution. The polluted water is unfit for human consumption. It even kills the aquatic animals such as fish. Fertilizers are non-biodegradable, thus also cause soil pollution. To maintain the fertility of the soil, excess use of fertilizers should be avoided and use of manure should be promoted. You have read activity 2. Okay students, this is self studies activity 2. You read to observe the growth of seedling with manure and fertilizers. Observe the growth of the seedling. सीडलिंग का ग्रोथ कैसे होता है विथ मैन्योर और फर्टिलाइजर्स का यूज करने पर, उसको ऑब्जर्व करना है. नेक्स्ट योर टॉपिक इज इरिगेशंस. वाटर इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट वाइटल सब्सटेंसेज that support life. Plants contain nearly 90% water. Still, they need water for their survival because of the flowing reasons. Water is important for the proper growth and development of flowers, fruits, and seeds of plants. Next point, water is absorbed by the roots. Along with water, minerals and fertilizers are also absorbed. Next point, discuss water is essential for germination of seeds. Next, water is essential for carrying out the process of photosynthesis to make food. Water dissolves nutrients which are transported to each part of the plant. Next, water also protects the crop from both frost and hot air currents. Therefore, supply of water to crops at regular intervals is essential for crop productions. Rainfall is one of the main sources of water for crops since we cannot depend upon rainfall, so it is essential that farmers should have other ways of supplying water to the crop field. The supply of water to the crop plants at regular interval through source of other than rain is called irrigation. The supply of water to the crop plants at regular intervals through source other than rain is called irrigations. The time and frequency of irrigation depend on the following three factors. First, nature of crop plants, nature of soil, season when the crop grows. Let us study the above factors in details. First of all, crop based irrigations. Some crop plants require more water while other needs less water. For example, rice crop requires standing water and continuous water supply, whereas some crops like wheat and cotton requires less water. For rice crops, water is available approx 150 centimeter. So water is necessary crop of rice. Next point, soil based irrigation. Irrigation also depends on the nature of the soil in which the crop is grown. Sandy soil needs frequent irrigations due to its poor water retaining capacity. Clay soil needs less frequent irrigation due to its good water retaining capacity. Next point, season based irrigation. In summers, the frequency of irrigations is higher. It is due to the increased rate of evaporations of water from the soil and the leaves. Next, sources of irrigation. The sources of irrigations are wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams, tanks, and canals. Traditional method of irrigations. The water available in wells, lakes, and canals is lifted up by different methods for irrigating the fields in different regions of our country. Cattle or human labor is used in these methods. So, these methods are cheaper but less efficient. The various traditional ways are most pulley system. This is a traditional ways. Chain pump, Thekli, Rahat is a type of traditional ways. These days, pumps are commonly used for lifting water. Diesel, electricity, or solar energy is utilized in these pumps. Okay, बच्चों, thank you. Today is part 7th, standard 8th. नेक्स्ट डे डिस्कस करेंगे हम लोग MCQ कुछ क्वेश्चंस का है, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट टॉपिक्स. थैंक यू.